Okay, so according to this thing, okay, it is 1:30 now. And I've been looking at this thing for about, so more than 10 minutes. I've plugged it in because it turned itself off, which is okay. That is what it says it'll happen when you, okay, it says it in here somewhere. Oh, on this side, I hadn't gotten to that part. Low battery, do not have, please do damage. Right, remove battery, charge, do not charge. I don't know, there's something that says it'll oh, wait a minute. Okay, oh, these are the specs. Where are the specs? Right here, in the back of this thing. Specifications. Okay, wheel size. I don't know if you can see that. Wheel size, 6.5. Motor, dual 160W. Maximum range, 10 kilometers. Battery power, DC, 25.9 V. Charger, 29.4. Range of rider's weight, 20 to 70 kilograms. That's 44 pounds to 154 pounds. Working temperature, -10 to 50 degrees Celsius. Charging temperature, 0 to 35. Stored relative humidity, 5 to 85%. Okay, whatever. It says something about it automatically going into stop mode, and it gives you a few reasons why this happens. But anyway. Oh, safety feature. There it is. Underneath the warning. Warning, safety features. If the electric balance scooter malfunctions or becomes compromised in any of the following ways, the device will alert the user with a warning indicator light and alarm buzzer. So I guess that's what that noise was. Going over the maximum safe speed of 6 miles per hour, battery near depletion, body rocking back and forth for more than 30 seconds. In addition, the device will automatically enter stop mode if any of the following occurs. The device rotates in either direction more than 35 degrees. Tires become locked for more than 2 seconds. The battery voltage is lower than the protection value. Sustained continued discharge of battery that may damage the device, such as pushing for too long up a steep slope. So there are reasons why it automatically turns off. But anyway, now the charging on the other side of this thing. Charging. To charge the electric balance scooter, make sure the scooter is turned off. Insert the charger into the scooter's charging port. There will be no other lights on but the power LED lights. Okay, the power LED lights. Okay, if the power LED light is green, this indicates that the scooter is fully charged and ready to use. When the light is green, disconnect the charge to conserve battery life. All right. Okay, when it's red, this indicates that it needs to be charged. Green is fully charged. Now, there are no lights at all on this thing, so I didn't know what to make out of it. So after I plugged it in, I pressed this thing, and that's came on. That's not green, that's not red, it's yellow, which I suppose means it's charging. But I also don't know if this thing is now on. But that's the only light as far as LED thing, so. Should I turn it off? Should I just do that just to check to see where it's at in its charging stage? Will it charge if I press the darn thing and that light goes away? Because there is no other LED light on at all. Maybe it takes a prolonged pressing down on the thing for it to actually turn on, like your tablet or something. And that quickly thing will just give you that indicator. I'm hoping so. Because I don't see any other thing that's going to turn green or red or tell me anything. Because there is nothing. If this thing stops by itself and you plug it in just to get it to do something, nothing lights up. I had to press that power button just to get that. Not hold it down, just press it. And that's what I get. So, oh, I didn't stop the stopwatch, darn. Okay, because now it says 18 almost. No, now it says 18. Okay, but it was 12. So I had to wonder what the heck was going on. I had to plug this thing in, and I went ahead and pressed the button to see if I can get some light. And that's the only light I'm getting. So I'm going to leave that like that until it goes green. And I think I'll get on with my business. Okay, updates. Oh, I started my job training. That was the week that's just, this is Saturday. So Monday through Friday, 8 to 5. We got a classroom of people studying their little thingies for this job. Again, I don't like to mention any kind of job unless I have nothing but good things to say. And so far, I have nothing but good things to say, but you know, we're just in job training, so so that's not telling you too much, but it sounds very interesting. Sounds like it's going to be it's not a boring job. Definitely doesn't sound like a boring job. So far so good. And I really don't want to say anything at all until at least I start the job, you know. Because you know how things can, how quickly reality changes. So we're just training right now. So I don't want to get into it. But so far so good. Seems pretty good. Okay. Yes, Houston. I'm in Houston. Still in the same place where I was quarantining. I don't want to mention any dramas that go on in this place because, hey, I've got a roof over my head, you know? So, yeah. Some of the staff are, that's a very small percentage actually. Some you would call true believers, others are working a job, and others are figuring out things, and others will never figure out things. So all in all, it's like every place else, I suppose. I suppose. All right. I really didn't want to get into that, but I'm trying to give you an overall update. So I guess that's it. I'll get back to you later. See you then.